Hi, today I'm going to show you how to transform data by computation in SPSS. So we have a value called reading here, and we could require converting it to log form. Now it's really very simple. You have a host of formulas and transformations that you can do in SPSS. So what you simply need to do is to go under transform and you go to compute variable. Here we currently have two variables which you call reading and number of runs. Now let's assume that we want to take reading and want to convert it to log form. Now what you simply need, we need a new target variable. So let's give it a new name and we'll call it new reading. Okay, so we're going to look for an arithmetic expression, and you have a host of arithmetic expressions and conversions and all sorts of things you can do. So, but because I've talked about we're going to use conversion to log, here we're going to use arithmetic function, and you can already see log to base 10. So you have to log base 10, and I'm going to send that into the expression. There you go. So what it's basically going to do is going to convert whatever variable I have imputed into here and convert it into the log base 10 as a new variable. So now I have reading here, and I'm going to send it in here. And what it simply means is that the new variable going to be called new reading is going to be the log to base 10 of reading. All I need to do is say OK, and SPSS is doing that. Is already done. I go back to data, and there you go. So now what you have essentially here is that everything in this new reading variable is the log to base 10 of what you have in the reading variable. So that's how simple it is really to use the conversion in SPSS. If you have found value in this video, do like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.